Welcome to Casa Rotunda, an unparalleled testament to luxury living where Queensland's coastal charm meets Mediterranean sophistication. Step into this masterpiece spanning 3 levels, featuring 8 bedrooms adorned with bespoke terracotta basins, arched doorways, and elegant copper accents. Each space reflects a balmy Mediterranean ambience, a sanctuary of comfort and style, an exquisite fusion of design elements where the sophisticated palette meets luxurious materials, crafting an atmosphere of refined opulence. A culinary haven awaits, a meticulously equipped kitchen designed for entertaining, complemented by a scullery catering to grand gatherings. Indulge in seamless transitions. Step from the spacious balcony to a poolside paradise, complete with a heated spa and a breathtaking infinity edge view. Discover the secluded wine cellar, a sensory oasis inviting residents to savour the finest beverages in a captivating ambience. Amidst the verdant expanse, revel in the perfect setting for elegant soirees or corporate affairs, a haven for memorable gatherings. Casa Rotunda, a realm of luxury living complemented by a caterer's cottage, where every detail converges to craft an unparalleled experience on Hamilton.